Hi, in this lesson, let's navigate to the other sections of search campaign in order to do optimizations, right? So let's go into the search campaign. So this is the Bing engine and let's go for the campaigns. Okay, so this is the campaigns. So let's take any one of the campaign. Okay, so let's take this campaign and let's see how to do the settings, right? So we need to go to the settings, right? So here you see we have settings section separately. Here you can change the settings after you launch the campaign, right? So here we will be having all the options similar to what we have seen already, right? So if you want to change any of the settings here, you can come here and change them, right? And here you see you can have the ads and extensions. This is the ads section, and here you see at the top you have extensions, right? And here you have automated extensions, right? If you want, you can manage the automated extensions. We have discussed it, right? What are the automated extensions? So, and here you have experiments. If you want, you can also do the experiment, right? And this is the landing page section, right? And you see this is the keywords section. So for the search campaign, we have to discuss about the keywords only, right? So this is the keyword section. If you want, you can add the keywords here, new keywords, and here you can add the negative keywords, right? And this is for the negative keywords list, and this is for the search terms. So after you have the performance, after you run the campaign for few days, and after you have the data, you can download this search query report and analyze the what kind of queries are triggering to your keywords. And if you feel like any of the query is not performing well, you can negate them. I mean, you can add as the negatives for the respective campaigns and ad groups based on the strategy, based on the requirement that you are building, right? And here you can see the auction insights, that is the competition within the Bing auction, right? So almost every concept remains same, right? And here you can have the audiences, and you can also exclude the audiences here if you want. Okay, so next is the demographics. You see here age, gender, company, industry, job function. So in Bing you might see some other extra options, right? So in Google we don't have company, industry, right? So but in Bing we have company and industry. It is because Bing has, that is the Microsoft, has the data related to these options, right? So you can navigate between these things. Okay, you can observe these things, right? So let's see for company, and so add company, we can add it here. Okay, so based on the requirement, based on the target, you can add the targets here, okay, that you are building. And here we have locations, ad schedule, devices, right? So everything remains same, the concepts remain same. After you run the account, or after you have the performance data for few days or a month or 2 months, you download the data, right? From here you can download the data and you can analyze the performance of that campaign. And based on this analysis, types of analysis, we have discussed different types of analysis, right? So how to analyze the age, how to analyze the gender, how to analyze the locations, and how to analyze the campaigns, all these things we have discussed. After your analysis, if you feel like any of the gender or any of the age group not performing well, you can reduce the bids, that is you can use the bid modifiers. We have discussed what is bid adjustment, right? All these things we have discussed. You can reduce the bid adjustments. If you feel like any of the category is performing well, you can increase the bid adjustments, right? And if you feel like you want to exclude any of the gender, any of the age group, or any of the company, industry, job function, you can do it obviously. So we have seen how to do them, all those things, right? So it is very simple. Okay, so this is about the search campaign. So almost every concept is already known to you, right? So I suggest you to explore these settings and different sections of this search campaign, so that you will have an idea of how to navigate in between these things. Okay, so I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.